Welcome back to my channel. I will answer the questions of one of the most frequently asked questions. What should we do for an orchid to grow a flower branch? We have revived the leaves of our orchid whose leaves have withered before. It is necessary to support the orchid that comes to its senses after reviving its leaves to grow a flower branch. So what should happen in the order of this process? Let's watch it together. First, the branch of our orchid that was left over from last year and dried up, we cut it from the bottom with a sterilized scissor. Since this branch is dry, there is no need to do anything to the place we cut. Cut off the dry day roots on the soil as well. If you look at the root color in the soil, it has turned from green to gray, so it's time for watering. Here we will prepare a mixture of garlic and aspirin to restore the vitality of the leaves. Cut a few garlic cloves into small pieces. Now we transfer them to a jar. Crush 1 aspirin and add it to the jar. Leave this mixture in the jar for 2 days after mixing them. Pour the mixture you have prepared into the container. Pour it halfway so that the air roots and leaf parts do not get wet when you dip the orchid. Make it absorb the water from the roots. Let it stay in this water for a week. After a week, you will see that its leaves are alive again. The next time it's watering time, that is when the root color changed from green to gray, we can take action to grow the flower branch. Put an egg in a liter of water. Add a teaspoon of mustard powder to it. Now we wait for them to boil. After boiling, leave to cool. Finally, chop 2-3 garlic cloves. And crush an aspirin as well. We strain the egg juice and mustard powder which have cooled down. We separated 1 cup of egg and mustard powder so that we can add 1 more cup of water on it. When you look at the root color of the orchid, you can see that it is close to gray, so it's time to water. Add this mixture halfway to the pot. Dip the orchid into it and wait for about 10 minutes. Let it absorb the water well. You can see that even air roots are absorbing the water. The fact that root color turns green again is a sign that the roots have completely absorbed the water. Fill the water in the pot back into the container. We only did watering with eggshell and mustard powder in the first watering process. After adding the garlic and aspirin that we have just prepared to this water, we will leave this water and let it rest. When the orchid's root color turns gray again, we will now use this water mixture and irrigate it by applying the same dipping process. This is the water we will use from now on after the first watering process. And you can use this water many times without throwing it away. After I resurrected the leaves of my orchid, I did this process for about 3 months. And it took me a total of 4 months to grow the flower branch of my orchid and for the buds to occur. During this time, I did root care and did not disturb my orchid. Because of I didn't do much watering, there was no rot in the roots. It continued its development in the same container. If I had put it in a larger flower pot, it would have spent its energy on root development and had difficulty growing flower branch. He kept standing in the same place all the time. I didn't change his place. He saw the sun as much possible during the day, but he saw the sun filtering from behind the tulle curtain without coming into direct contact with the burning sun. Last year's flower branch of our orchid was like this. I will share the flowers on the new flower branch with you soon. We have come to the end of another video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on likes, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to watch my next videos and support my channel with commenting under the videos. Thank you for watching.